Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Coinmarketcap to your bank account. So first, you need to note that there is no direct way of doing so. So there is a workaround, and this is how you go about it. On the right-hand side, you're going to go ahead and tap on Portfolio, and this will open up your portfolios. Now, additionally, you can go ahead now to the left-hand side and tap on Create Portfolio. Now, a portfolio is basically a connection to another platform. So once you've tapped on Create Portfolio, you can see that you can connect your OKX account, you can connect your Binance account, and then you can also add transactions manually. This means that you can enter all your transaction details at your own pace to track your portfolio. But the option we're looking for here is connect your wallet. Now, this will allow you to enter your wallet name. So whatever wallet you're using, you're going to just enter the name of the wallet as reference. And here you are going to look for your wallet address and enter it in here. Now, in the future, once this is set up, you're going to just tap on Create Connection. And once it's set up, when you create a transaction, so on the right-hand side, you'll tap on Add Transaction. Let's say we want to sell some Bitcoin. So from here, we're going to tap on Sell, and you will be able to enter the quantity and then add the transaction. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to then tap on here and say move asset, and you'll be able to move the asset to that manually created portfolio. And then from that wallet that you've created with the funds in there, you'll be able to withdraw that to your bank account. If this was a helpful guide, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.